Hi everyone, so now we will be going through the inventory adjustment function. So we come to inventory section and click onto inventory adjustment. Click onto plus record to create an inventory adjustment. So first we have to select the adjustment type. So absolute adjustment is where you input the final inventory balance and the variance means the adjustment quantity shall be calculated automatically by system. Or relative adjustment meant by where you input the adjustment quantity to be added or deducted from the current inventory balance. For example, absolute relative. So we search for main and let's say right now I search for a product. We're searching for okay, so the existing quantity is 60. So the correct quantity it should be, let's say 50, and I can save or add another record if let's say you have. And let's say the remark what do I put here? Let's say 10 quantity is spoiled. So I just changed the final inventory balance. So original is 60 and absolute is 50, and I save it and record has been added successfully. So if let's say I go to inventory balance to have a look, and I look for pasta, you will see my main will become 50. And I try the other adjustment type. Let's say I try the same record, relative one. This time I try relative one and also the main. And maybe I say 5 quantity is spoiled. Okay, so I add on to the item. I search the product. Okay, I use back the same product and existing is 50. So relative quantity, I need to key in, let's say minus 5 because I said 5 quantity is spoiled. So if let's say you have to reduce the quantity, you have to put a minus sign, or if let's say this is a adding on more quantity, if let's say there's more quantity to add on, take off the minus sign. So when I save, and original balance is 50, so relative is minus 5. So when I save, record has added successfully. So we go to inventory balance to have a look. And the balance must start, and you will see the main become 45 quantity on hand. So this is how we use the inventory adjustment function. Okay, so these are the record we can actually refer back. This is the minus 5, and this is the absolute type. From 60 become 50 is due to 10 quantity spoiled. So thank you everyone.